So, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So, in the last video, we have discussed about different types of network topologies. So, today we are going to learn about different types of communication. Like in real life, what you are doing, you are communicating with your colleague, your friends, your team. So, in networking, we have divided this communication in few main types. Like if I say first is Unicast, then broadcast, then the third is multicast, and the fourth one is Anycast. Now let's discuss one by one. The first one is Unicast, okay? So first one is Unicast. Unicast is what? One-to-one communication. One-to-one means you and your friends are communicating. You send a text message to your friend, only single friends. So what you're doing, we are communicating single, means one to one communication is happening, correct? Or you directly call your friend on their number and you call a person directly on their phone. So this is what? This is like unicast. Means unicast means I can talk to only one person at a time. Okay. Not like only single person means one to one communication is happening between two peoples. Okay, this is what unicast. Now the next is broadcast. So second is broadcast. So what is broadcast? Broadcast means one person to everyone around you can consider. One person to all you can consider. A message is sent from one person to all people in the group. Let's say you have a schools, right? In a school, what will happen? You have different classes and you have different principal, vice principal, teachers. So if I take broadcast, if I have to identify which communications mode different teacher, principal, or student are using. So if student want to communicate with his friend, it's a unicast. If a principal want to announce something, okay, so what it will do, it will broadcast the message or it will use the loudspeaker to announce whatever announcement the principal has to do. This is what a message like one to all the people, like it's a group of people are receiving the same messages from a single host. Okay, like a school, like I said, a school principal is making an announcement on the loudspeaker, so everyone in the school can listen the whatever the announcement principal is doing. So this is what a broadcast. In simple terms, if I say broadcast means I tell something loudly so everyone can hear. Okay. So let's say I can say broadcast is like one to all. Okay. Now the third is multicast. Now what is multicast? Now multicast is nothing but just like a broadcast, but here you are not going to broadcast your message to all over the area. You have divided some parts, like some in a single area, multiple small groups you have created, and in a small group you want to tell something. So it's nothing but a multicast, like one person to a selected group of people. It's like a WhatsApp group. Means you and your friends, or how many friends, whatever the friends you have created a single group. And if you want to tell something to your friends, what you will do, you will just send the message in a WhatsApp group, and all the selected people will receive this message. So this message means a message goes from one person to a specific group, not everyone. Okay, it's like in a school you have different classrooms. So this single classroom you can consider as a multicast group. That means a teacher explaining something only to like selected small group of student. Okay, so this is what a multicast. So if I say one, two, selected one, it's like I talk to a group, but only the people who need it. Like we are creating WhatsApp group. It's just a simple example of your multicast. Okay. Now the third one is Anycast. Anycast. Now what is Anycast? Uh, Anycast you can consider as a message goes to the nearest or quickest person who can help. Let's say, let's take a simple example. Okay, you have there is a one. This is like you can consider as a hmm, Anycast means let's say you are in a market. Okay, you are in a market and you want to buy some ice cream in the market. Okay, now you are here. Right now you are here. Okay, now this is you. You want to buy ice cream. Okay, and there are multiple ice cream shops are there here. Consider here, and here. Different ice cream shops are there. Now you are coming on this side. Okay, you are going to the market, and what any cast means, you want ice cream. Whoever the nearest store you will see, and so directly you will go to this nearest shop. Okay, who like if you want something directly you will go to your nearest shop or nearest store. This is what any cast. If I take other example, like you can consider as a like you have a bike and you want to fill the petrol. You need petrol. You want petrol. Okay. So you with the bike you visited some place and wherever you will see the petrol pump nearest to you, you will go to that petrol pump and directly you will full your tank and you can go. So this is what any cast. You want something, whoever the nearest, you will receive the thing as soon as you get the place. Okay, any cast means nearest one you will receive. Who, if you want something, whoever the nearest with you, you can receive that thing from that place. Okay, so or if I take another example, like if you want to send any parcel or anything you want to send to your friend or your or any relatives, so what you will do first, you will create a parcel and you will find the post office or whatever the delivery partners you have. So whoever the nearest one, you will go to that nearest one and you will give the parcel to that uh, your parcel service center, and what they will do, they will send your parcel to your destination. This is what any cast. One to nearest one. A person to the nearest one. If you want to send something, if you want something, whoever the nearest one, you will receive the service from that nearest partner or services. This is what Anycast. If I say here, one to nearest one. This comes only in IPv6. This method, this concept will come in your IPv6. So this is what these types of communication: unicast, broadcast, multicast, and anycast. This is what types of communication. Now, if I talk about, there are multiple transmission modes are there. Okay. So the transmission mode simply means that how information flows between two sides. Okay. So there are multiple modes or different types are there. So let's see types of transmission, types of modes of transmission, modes of transmission. So there are mainly three types of transmission modes are there. So first is simplex, half duplex, and the third one is full duplex. So let's discuss one by one. First, simplex. Now, what is simplex? Simplex means like message goes only in one direction. You cannot reply back. Have you used radio? Like, what will happen in radio? In radio, once you select any channel, what it will start sending the messages. Okay. You are not communicating with radio. What radio will do? It will start sending the music or whatever information coming from that channel. So radio is a perfect example of simplex mode of transmission. So here what will happen? Your message is coming only single direction. If you want to communicate, you are not able to send any message to radio. You can listen whatever the radio is giving, the whatever the information radio is giving. Either it's playing music or it's any news they are sharing. So if I say any other examples, you are watching TV, right? So what you are saying, you are just start any channel and start what TV will do. It will just start the any video whatever is playing. This is what simplex means. One way transmission is happening here. One way transmission is happening here. Only you can listen or you can't do anything else. Okay. This is what the radio is the perfect example of simplex mode of transmission. Simplex means you only received. You cannot send any messages in the direction. Understood? You can listen or you can receive whatever that you are able to receive from this radio. Now the next is half duplex. Second is half half duplex. Now what will happen in half duplex? You can send and receive the message, but not at the same times. Correct? You can consider, used walkie talkie? Walkie talkie, you talk and then you say over and then other person start talking. That means you are telling the receiver that hey, I have finished my whatever I have to say. Now it's your time to send the message. Walkie talkie is like what walkie talkie is working on a half duplex mode, like two-way, but not at the same time. Only at a time, only one can send the message or one can receive the message, not simultaneously. So walkie, if I say two-way, but not at the same time. Walkie-talkie is the best example. Right? This is what simplex means. One way only you can receive the message. That's it. Half duplex means You can send and receive, but not at the same time. You can send any messages, you can receive any messages, but not at the same time. Now the one and best thing is full duplex. Now, full duplex means both sides can send and receive messages simultaneously. Here means two-way communication, two-way communication at the same time. Okay. The best example of full duplex is like a phone call. Both people can speak and listen at the same times. As well as you can see like a Zoom meeting, you can consider, you can talk, you can listen at the same time. So full duplex means we can talk to each other or all people without waiting for their reply or mm, waiting for to send any. No need to wait for any kind of message we have to send. Full duplex means two-way communication. You can communicate, you can send, you can speak, you can receive at the same times. So these are the three main modes of transmission. Simplex means one-way communication. Example, you can consider radio. Half duplex means two-way, but not at the same times. Only one can send the message or receive the message, not simultaneously. But in the full duplex, what will happen? You can send and receive the message simultaneously at the same time. There is no need to wait for your response. Directly you will receive the message. So these are what? These are the types of communication and types of modes of transmissions are there. Now, this is okay. In the next, we'll see about different types of broadcast domain and collision domain. And we'll discuss about what is router, what is switch, what is firewall, or what is hub. This we'll discuss in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching.